Hello and welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mole Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. And we're helping El Paso help their pets. So continuing on the theme for the month of being a responsible pet owner, I thought I would talk about the donkeys today since I'm out here with Panson. Hey Panson, say hi. So he's a little mini donkey, and we just got done taking care of his feet. And if you want to see that, you can check out our Snapchat. But basically, if we get to the basics of what I was talking about the other day, you got your main basics: food, water, and shelter, obviously. And so for the water, you want to maintain really clean, fresh water. Here in El Paso, it gets really hot, so we actually change out our water at 2 p.m. every day so that they can get fresh, cool water. We scrub the buckets there once a week with bleach and keep them really clean so they're not getting mold. As far as the feed, the donkeys are actually pretty particular about feed. If you think about it, you know, they're meant to be in the desert with kind of roughage and not a lot of nutrients. And so it's really important that they never get grain, no corn, no sweet feed, no type of grain like that, that they don't get alfalfa either, that they only get grass hay. They're very prone to having hoof problems like laminitis with alfalfa. They're also prone to getting overweight, which can give them metabolic issues, which is like diabetes and other issues like that. So you want to keep them nice and trim. You don't want to let them get overweight, and you don't want to feed them anything but grass hay. No treats, nothing like that. For shelter, you want to make sure that they've got some kind of a shade, a little break from the wind. Obviously, they can have a stall if you've got that ability, but if not, just give them a little break from the wind and some shelter from rain and sun and stuff. And then as far as healthcare, obviously they need the vaccines just like a horse. So Eastern, Western, Tetanus, West Nile once a year. And then they need their rhino flu twice a year and their rabies once a year. They need their dewormings on a routine basis. So I always recommend valleyvet.com. And you can get an annual deworming package, which will actually tell you when to give which dewormer so that they get the appropriate worms when they are not dormant. They also need routine fecal tests to make sure that they're not getting worms. And then they need their teeth taken care of, which is what we were just, or excuse me, their feet taken care of, which is what we were just doing. You want to make sure and have those feet trimmed up about every 6 to 8 weeks. And then their teeth are really important to take care of as well because they have the same number of teeth as a big size horse, but they're all squished into a little body or a little head. And they don't need their sheath taken care of like horses because they don't have the little pocket where beans accumulate, but the teeth and the feet are definitely very important. If you have any questions, let us know and have a great day.